Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. They say money attracts money, but what if you can make money in your sleep with nothing in your wallet? The information in this video consists of well-researched and extensively detailed instructions on how you can make money using 5 steps. And not just a couple of bucks, think bigger. Log in every day to earn $44.60+ each time for free, make money online. Number 5, Dollar Clicks. Here's the first one, folks. Dollar Clicks is a get paid to or GPT website that claims to pay you for completing offers and other tasks. Keep in mind that Dollar Clicks is a legitimate GPT site, so it delivers on its promise of paying you for performing the given tasks. No worries on that part. Many have paid receipts as proof if you're keener on your part. To receive incentives, complete surveys if that is what you've signed up for. You'll be able to see all of the accessible surveys after you log into the member dashboard. The paid surveys they provide functions in the same way as any other survey site would. You take a survey, answer some pre-qualifying questions, then you get to take the real survey if you qualify. You'll receive the specialized prize once you've completed the real one. Their daily surveys, on the other hand, serve as a survey router, allowing you to access paid surveys from other survey sites. All you have to do now is choose a deal. You will then be led to the survey offers' website. Completing paid offers may account for the majority of your Dollar Clicks revenue. Normally, this is the case with all other GPT sites. If you're unfamiliar with paid offers, they're essentially jobs that you may accomplish in exchange for cash. Each offer will be different, and you'll be asked to do a certain assignment. Some offers may require you to register on a website, while others will require you to participate in a social media activity. The most important thing is to make sure you follow the directions to the letter to receive the promised prize. What's great about Dollar Clicks is that it offers a lot of different offer walls to choose from. As a result, you won't run out of things to do on the site. You'll be taken to the site that hosts the offer when you complete an offer on an offer wall, just like with the paid surveys. To obtain the prize, all you have to do is follow the directions on the offer. Number 4, Big Ticket Commissions. Big Ticket Commissions is a groundbreaking cloud-based program that automates the creation of high-ticket money sites and even drives 100% free traffic on autopilot. The concept behind the software is to give away a gift, which are free, to persuade people to attend and watch an automated webinar to add more people to your email list and get high-ticket commissions. So how are you going to make money? Simple to scale. Start with one of the premium done-for-you deals, then expand with more high-ticket offers as needed. Big ticket commissions shift the game in your favor, allowing you to win. Over-the-shoulder instructions will lead you through the procedure from beginning to end. From the initial setup to designing your lead and money pages to traffic, scalability, and beyond, they have got you covered. You've been pre-approved to advertise a variety of high-converting premium offers with a track record of success. These evergreen deals were handpicked for the big ticket commissions approach to provide you with the finest returns possible. Big ticket commissions are extremely effective because they transform fresh leads into massive commissions right away. Getting such leads is crucial to your success. Over 100 excellent lead magnets that appeal to a large audience are included to help you grow your list and affiliate revenues. Number 3, Honeygain. Honeygain is a service that allows businesses to access your internet. Honeygain's proxy network allows businesses to utilize your internet for a variety of purposes. As a result, you'll get 1 credit for every 10 MB of data you share. You must save 20,000 credits, which is equal to $20 to get paid. As a result, Honeygain will pay you $1 for every 10 GB of data you utilize. The firm also pays 6 credits for each hour of active content delivery, more on that later. We're usually wary of companies or apps that promise us money in return for resources. Is it true that they're doing what they say they're doing? Is it possible they're abusing your system's resources? Honeygain claims that all they do is legal and done with your permission. When it comes to security though, everything should be taken with a grain of salt. You can make sure Honeygain is not consuming your hardware by looking at the process logs and data used. This distinguishes it from crypto miners, which run on system resources. Number 2, SlideJoy. SlideJoy is a lock screen software that rewards you for showing information on the lock screen of your phone. This software is currently only accessible to Android users, which means, sadly, it isn't available for iOS users, at least not as of yet. On your phone's lock screen, SlideJoy displays the most recent trending news and tailored adverts. In exchange for showing this material, you get compensated. Carrots are the points awarded by the app. All you have to do now is authorize the app to display news and advertisements on your phone's lock screen, and that's all there's to it. You may earn points by just unlocking your phone as you normally would. Here's how it works. 1,000 carrots are equal to $1. Before you can redeem your point, you must have 2,000 carrots and have used SlideJoy for over a month. For some folks, that can be a little too, boring and time-taking. However, given that this is one of the few applications that reward you with gift cards for doing almost nothing, it's a no-brainer to use. Number 1. Browse and Bank. Browse and Bank was one of the world's first internet-based payment system. There's no traffic, no out-of-pocket payments, and no waiting for results. You may start earning money in as little as 2 minutes by just visiting the websites. Any of your favorite ones, which include Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, and so on. This Browse to Bank is your one-stop shop for quick and simple results. Rather than figuring it out all on your own, this is a surefire way to succeed. Simply visit a website, put on the pay-to-browse technology included in this bundle, and you'll be paid quickly. Branson Tay is the brains behind this impressive piece of software. This individual is a well-known online marketing genius. Throughout his career, he's published a large number of digital platforms that are deemed realistic and remarkable in comparison to those that are released every day. Permalink, MailerLink, ViralLink, Morph, DeepLink, Ultron, Loophole Link, and other notable products are his marvelous creations. What makes this product so simple is that all you have to do inside is go to your favorite website and you'll get paid immediately. This means that the system handles all the work for you, and all you have to do is sit back and wait for your money to come in. So good luck with all the money making, champ. Hope these websites and apps help you out in your financial state. Let us know what you think about all of this in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by smashing that like button, and if you wish to be notified of more money-making content like this going forward, then do be sure that you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive notifications of our new uploads. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another great video. Bye now!